Good morning, I'm Tina Dale with the Fairfax County Health Department, and today we are broadcasting live from the Fair Oaks Police Station. Fairfax County Health Department and the Police Department are working together on a joint initiative to ensure our residents stay safe from expired and unused medications that we all might have in our medicine cabinet. Joining me today to discuss this is our senior pharmacist, Manisha Malavia, and Lieutenant Justin Palanchar. And let's start with Manisha. Manisha, why is this such an important topic, and why should we ensure that we are keeping our medications out of the hands of children?
Well, annually, there are actually about 60,000 ER visits from children that have gotten into medications that they shouldn't have. Most people that have an opioid pain reliever prescription don't finish the prescription, and that can lead to misuse or abuse. According to a 2016 national survey, most youth that have abused a medication have actually gotten it from their own home or from a family member's home. And in Fairfax County, there was a youth survey done in the Fairfax County Public Schools that showed about 4.4% of 8th, 10th, and 12th graders have used a prescription pain reliever that was not their own, that was not prescribed for them. So it's very important to not only, like we're going to talk about, dispose of medications properly, but actually keep them safe in your home, to lock them up, keep them safe and up and away from children, pets, and anyone else that can abuse these medications.
So, knowing that we were doing this morning, I took a look in my medicine cabinet, and sure enough, I did find medications that were expired. So, Lieutenant, what should we do with these?
Well, gather up all those medications, bring them into one of our 8 district stations. We have a box just like this located in each one of them in the lobby. It's open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Drop the medications in there and we'll take care of the rest.
Are there, what are some of the medications that we can use or we can bring for the box?
So you should drop off your prescription or non-prescription medications. This also includes pet medications, as those can be a hazard and danger to others as well.
What should we not bring?
Needles, aerosols, inhalers, and liquids. Those should be disposed of in another manner with the health department.
So Manisha, what should we do with those EpiPens and insulin pens, that sort of thing?
Exactly. So for EpiPens and insulin pens, needles in general, what you can do is obtain a rigid container, like a laundry detergent bottle. You don't want to use a glass container, a milk jug, a soda bottle, that kind of thing. You're going to fill this up with your syringes. You're going to make sure to label it with a permanent marker that says caution, syringes, needles, do not recycle. And you can place this in your household trash. Do not put it in your recycle bin. You want to make sure that you put this in your trash bin. You can also take these and pack it up and take it to the household hazardous waste sites at I-66 or I-95. They will take them also. Same goes for your aerosols or your inhalers. The household hazardous waste sites at I-66 or I-95 will take those also.
Excellent. So for going back to these boxes here, can anybody use these? Are these open to any resident in Fairfax County?
Absolutely. Anyone can use the box. The only thing we would say is the clinics and facilities that have their own excessive number of medications and things that they have a responsibility to dispose of in accordance with the law, they cannot come in here and drop those off. They need to go through their process and not use this as an avenue for disposal.
So these are just for residents and just household
medications.
Perfect.
Correct.
So what happens when this gets full?
We have a evidence technician come in. They gather up all the items that are in here, box it up securely, and then we transport it back for the safe disposal en masse.
Excellent. So, Manisha, in addition to the drop boxes that we have, some residents might not be able to get to one of their local police districts. What other options do residents have?
So one of the options we have is the drug disposal kit, such as this. Okay, you can obtain these for free from any health department clinic site. There's one in Springfield, Annandale, Herndon-Reston, Mount Vernon, and the Joseph Fuller Center in Fairfax. These are free of charge. Just go up to the front desk and ask for one of these. You're going to take these, you're going to put your medications inside, okay? You're going to pour some water in them, okay? And then you're going to seal it up, shake it up for a little bit, and then you can place this in your trash. This is actually biodegradable by the microbes that are found in landfills. And this is another safe way. If you can't do it, you know, if you can't come to one of the police stations to dispose of it, you have something at home that you want to dispose of, you can use one of these kits, and that will help deactivate the medication and make it safe from any misuse or abuse.
Excellent. So what we covered today, ways that residents can dispose of their unused and expired medications. Visit one of the drop boxes at the police stations throughout Fairfax County using a drug disposal kit available at the health department for EpiPens and insulin needles. Manisha recommended that you use a hard, rigid container like a laundry bottle, and that can go into your household trash. And then for inhalers, those should be carefully packaged together and brought to the household hazardous waste sites located on I-66 and I-95. So is there anything else that we should let our residents know about our drug take-back program?
Well, aside from the boxes being open 24/7 here, we do have National Drug Take-Back Day, which is April the 27th. So mark your calendar and come out and support the event and drop off your drugs on that date.
Excellent. So for all of the information that we covered today, we ask that you go to fairfaxcounty.gov and search drug disposal. You will find out about the different locations and where to pick up the drug disposal kits, and information on how to handle your household hazardous waste like your needles and that sort of thing. So for all of you watching us today, thank you so much for joining in, and we'll see you again next time.